back to the channel. Got a Ford joke for y'all. Who doesn't, right? Alright, so today we get to play What's Broken on a Ford and Let's Fix It. Y'all ready? I'm not. Stay tuned. So today we're going to be fixing Alternator. Yep, it's remanufactured. Yep, it's value craft. It's not stand forever. Just temporary. I got to get back and forth to work, so that thing has to come out. Yeah, has to go. So we're gonna be slapping that thing in today. But geez, can we talk about how pretty that battery look though? Christ, don't mind that. We're not gonna talk about that. But yeah, this thing, this little setup, I kind of got going. I need to get some heat shrink to put on these. But it's a project. No project's perfect. You always find little things to fix along the way. And it's a Ford, so hey, it's definitely always going to be something that needs to get fixed or has to get fixed. I'm going to try to record myself replacing this. We'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. Remember, kids, always disconnect your battery. You don't want to short circuit none of your stuff. It's not fun. Disconnect that thing so you don't fry nothing. Create more problems than you have. So yeah, I didn't show the fun part of me struggling trying to get that tensioner pulley somewhere in here. Come on. Yeah, that tensioner pulley was kind of seized, but I took off the intake, threw that over there. Once you get the intake out the way, it's pretty much a straight shot. You got a couple bolts. Jeez, can't get in there. There's a couple bolts on the front of this alternator, here and there, 10 millimeters that you need to pull off. Then that bolt, and then there's 2 plugs. Once you pull those 2, 3, 4 things off, straight shot. It's not bad. I've done way worse. I should record me pulling it off, but I'm a perfectionist. I don't want you guys to see me struggling. So I'll fire it back up once I get it out. Alright, so after getting those 2 bolts out, there's gonna be that one on top on this little bracket that you need to pull off also. That one. Gonna have to pull that one off too. Didn't realize it until just now. So once you get this bracket, this bolt out this bracket, should just slide right off. Just a little FYI. Alright, got the old beast out. It's not sounding too happy. Y'all can hear that. It's out a damn dog barking. Or it's not supposed to sound like that. She's not too happy. So, yeah. We got another remanufactured alternator to put in there for now until I get my high output pretty soon here. Snatch that one out the box real quick. See what we got. Other than a farter. Christ's sake, dude. You ain't went nowhere, bro. Promise you that. Still hear you, dude. Alright, yeah, this one. No noise at all. See how long she lasts. This nigga lasts long enough till I get my high output. So I get that baby, it's on. This one ain't got no play. Oh, it's tight. Oh yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna slap that thing back in. Cut y'all back on in a sec. Alright, struggle's over. Got them in. Brand new, well, remanufactured alternator. Got a slapped in for the time being. That's what I'm running. But just know, I got another one coming. High output, Johnny. But yeah, I slapped this back on. Slap this intake back on. See what I got for battery lights flashing at me and telling me it hates me. Alright, well, they're all back together. See what we got. First start up in about a week. This ought to be interesting for all of us. Alright, battery light still on. Alright, so problem not solved, I don't think. Give it a minute and see what happens. Yeah. Well, back to the drawing board. So while sitting here debating about what I was gonna do, the light turned off. So I'm guessing it's charging now. Yeah, I guess it needed to charge the battery or something like that. I don't know. But I guess it did it. So we good to go. Let me show y'all. And she's running. No more battery light, so my engineering work. Alright. Y'all know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.